Hello, welcome back to another video. This is don't press the button 4. And yeah, having a great time here. Yep, so I am a little bit sick. Just so y'all know, this is actually the first video, not short, that I am using my voice. And yeah, well, I bet we can win here. Play it right. And we didn't. Alright. Oh my god. Oh. Bro, you gotta be kidding me. Bro. It's an easy run the bank. Hey, we gotta do this. Easy parkour. I'm so good at parkour. I'm the best ever. She just ran through it. she just full on sent it, bro. She just ran. Let's go. Easy. Oh my god. Dang it. Okay. Oh, we gotta go back now, right? Yeah, just escape the bank right there. She's almost dead. She's the girl that ran through the freaking thingy. Okay. There we go. This should be easy. All I need to do is just jump. Easy. I won. First or second? I think I got second. Ooh, yay! Too good. This game is very good. I mean, it's pretty fun. I do it on mobile too, and I like recording videos in my free time, even though I don't get a lot of views. It's fun and I like it, so please try to get me to 100 subscribers and please try to get me more views, because I would be glad, or I would be happy if every video I got, I would be super happy actually, got more than 100 views. Just 100 views, please. And if you're feeling like it, like and sub this video, because I'm just a little kid. Well, not little, but I'm just a kid trying to have fun and trying to be semi-popular. And yeah, so the platforms are kind of hard. Not that hard. I don't know. What was I supposed to do there? I think everybody died from that. Should I just go press it? No, people are already pressing it. Ooh. They all just oh, so it's spinning in a circle. Alright, so I just gotta... Oh. Me and her just chilling on this log. Alright, we survived. We're too good. What? Oh, bro, this isn't Minecraft. Oh man, bro, I'm good at Minecraft PvP, but not Roblox PvP. Yeah, guys, I definitely won that. Too easy. Freaking Sonic over here. I'm as fast as the speed of light. Nobody's faster than me. It's not like we're all the same speed. Definitely not. I don't know what y'all talking about. Just vibing here, having a great time. Yo. Oh, I pressed the button last? Let's go. Dude. Got it before everybody else. I'm definitely gonna win this. Let's go. I'm gonna win. Lulu, and you, person. No man. Oh, that guy, that played good. Oh. Everybody survived, right? Somebody's named Sans. I didn't notice that. I love Sans. Sans is cool. Well, I don't love him, but I think it's cool. I'm definitely gonna win this. Too easy. Alright. Ooh. Mine. Dang it. So close yet so far. Oh. Acid? Watch out. Oh my god, bro. Is that it? That's it. Reach the top. We're floating. Having so much fun right now. Alright. Enter the mysterious cave. Entering it. If you guys want the full video, just let me know, like comment. This game is so easy, not gonna lie. Whee! I'm just gonna spawn right, yeah. Is that the girl who beat me in that one thing? I'm mad about that. Alright, that's gonna be it for today's video. Please sub, and if you want the whole thing, just let me know. Comment, and like and subscribe. Bye.